Alright, my friends, welcome to another unboxing and installation video. I'm checking out this Hurran lead-free 4-inch basin faucet with pop-up drain. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and it's just a nice, elegant piece here. Works really good. We're going with the matte black on pretty much all our finishes here in the bathroom. So nice and functional and working great. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it was helpful. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.